taking shots?
It's his choice kasi that's the play. We want him to the other two guards is a decoy. Then we want him to create for his shot or for his team. But it's just to take the ball. And I will, kumbaga, ano naman yan, decision niya yan. So, but that's the play. So we want him to do one-on-one. If there's a chance to kick out or to take his shots. So, yun. Medyo, ang gusto ko lang doon is we're down by 9 on the last, less than 3 minutes. But we keep on coming, keep on coming back doon sa game, which is nagawa naman namin to our defense at saka yung aggressiveness namin. But I think we need to be consistent dun sa magiging aggressive. So, outboard kami at out-hustle kami ng Meralco on the first 2 quarters. So, I think yun yung kailangan namin mapakita sa coach na kailangan namin maging aggressive. And it was a good game. And at least we give ourselves a chance to win. Although yun, hindi pumasok. Satisfied natin on our first game. Nakita namin na at least we can compete with the champion. So it's some breaks from the game and we need to be more prepared next time. Mga lapses na mga middle of the game. Mga lapses, madami kami lapses. And we gave up 61 rebounds against our 44, so that's a lot of rebounds and 19-second charge points. Medyo mabigat yung rebound. Laki ng discrepancy sa rebounds. So, yun. I think yung offensive rebounds doon kami nakakita. Dami nilang offensive rebounds.
What about yung personal